Welcome back, guys. We are still talking about number-based systems, and in the previous video we converted numbers from order basis to base 10, and in this video we are going to be converting numbers from base 10 back to order basis. So the first number we are going to be converting today is, let's say we want to convert 89 base 10. I want to convert it to base 2. So in the previous video, we converted this number when it was in base 2 and we converted it to base 9. So now we want to change it back to base 10, and after the conversion you can go through the previous video to see how whether we got the right answer. So we converted the number from base 2 to base 10, and now we want to convert it back to base 2. So we check our results whether it will be what we converted in the previous video. So whenever we want to convert to from base 10 to other bases, what we do is we divide. So let's have a line here, and we want to convert 89 base 10 to base 2. So we'll write 89 here, and we'll use the base to divide the number until we have 0 here. So let's see how we divide. We have 2 here. We want to use 2 to divide this number. So dividing 2 with 89, we'll have 44 remainder 1. So 2 divide 89 will be 44, and we'll have our remainder, which is 1. So we'll divide 44 with 2 again. Dividing 2 with 44, 44 by divided by 2 will be 22, and then we'll have 0 as our remainder. Then we divide again. Since 2 can divide this, we have 2 divide 22, we'll have 11 remainder 0. Sorry, this is R for remainder. And then we divide 11 with 2. We use 2 to divide 11. So 11 divided by 2 will be 5. And then we have remainder 1. And we use 2 to divide 5. We have 2 remainder 1. So 2 divide 2 will be 1 remainder 0. And 2 divide 1 will have 0 remainder 1. So our results will be the remainder. So we'll pick the remainders. We'll pick each number starting from the last number here to the one at the top. So we'll have something like this. Let's draw an arrow that will lead us. We'll be picking numbers from the one beneath to the one at the top. So our result, 89 to base 2, will be equal to, we'll pick the numbers. We have 1, 0 from here, and we have 1 from here. I'll have another 1, 0, 0, and 1, and this is base 2. So we'll leave an indication like this to say that this number is a number in base 2. So we are going to be converting another number. So let's say we'll have 665 in base 10. I want to convert it to base 8. So how do we do this? The same way we did the other one. We are going to be dividing this number with 8. So that we'll have a line like this. We have 665. Oh, sorry. 665, and we want to convert it to base 8. So we use 8 to divide this. From 8 divide 665, we'll have 8 times 8 is 64. So this is 8 here, and 8 divide 25, we have 25 here, sorry. and 8 divided 25 will be 3. I will have a remainder 1. So 8 divided 665 will be 83, remainder 1. And then 8 divided 83 will be 1 and 0, remainder 3. So 8 divided 83 will be 10, remainder 3. I'll have 8 divided 10 will have 1, remainder 2. And 8 divided 1 will be 0 because 8 cannot divide 1, so we have 0, remainder 1. So this is our result. We have, starting from the last number below, we have 1, 2, 3, 1 base 8. So 665 base 10 will be 1, 2, 3, 1 base 8. And that's it for this number. So we'll be converting the last number, we'll be doing the last example. Let's convert 431 base 10 to base 5. So we'll be doing this last example and we'll go into another concept of number-based systems. So we want to convert 431 base 5, base 10, I want to convert it to base 5. So we do it normal way that we did the other ones. We divide this number with 5 and then get the remainders, and that will be our result. For 5 divide this will be 8 and 6, 86, remainder 1. Yes, and 5 divide 86 will be 1, 7, remainder 1. And 5 divide 17. 5 divide 17 will be 3, remainder 2. And 5 divide 3 will be 0, remainder 3. So we pick the way we take it from the number below to the one on top. So have 3, 2, 1, 1 base 5.